ang birthday celebration ng Ate Belle. Yan. Shanghai spaghetti, baked sushi, barbecue, and puto siomai. Si Ate Bella yun, kumain na siya. Yan. So, dito kami sa US nag-birthday ang ate. Yan ang ating barbecue. And manganta na. Let's eat. Ate Bella rin yung men. Dad. Mangan. Ate Belle. Ate Belle. Ate. Happy birthday, Ate Belle. Marap ka pa again eh. And Dad.
Happy birthday. Love you.
Love you. Sweet.